This hair restoration of the South patient is a 44-year-old male who started a pre-surgical medical therapy with the topical version of Dutasteride and oral minoxidil 1.25 milligrams daily. Dr. Nicole Rogers extracted 1,518 grafts during an FUE procedure, which her team immediately prepared and then implanted. Here we see a comb-through, 1 year post-operative, demonstrating an artistically created hairline. Next, we see a comb-through of the donor area with virtually no visible scar. The patient stated that he was very happy with the results and continues with medical therapy to treat against further hair loss and stimulate the transplanted hair follicles.